Hola, ¿qué tal? Today's lesson is possessive adjectives. Those adjectives are, in English, my, your, her, his, their, our. En español, the possessive adjectives are related with the possession and not the owner. That's why, for example, in the case of my, we say me or mis, because if the possession is plural or singular, then I will use me or mis. Por ejemplo, mi casa, my house. Mis casas, my houses. This is going to be confusing with the people like her, his, their, because they will use the same pronoun in español. Por ejemplo, her house, his house, their house is the same. Su casa, su casa, su casa. So, to be specific, then we will say something like la casa de ella or la casa de él or la casa de ellos. So remember, the possessive adjectives are related with the possession and not the owner. So that's it for today. Nos vemos la próxima. Chao.